In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in Fusion 360, whether you're inspecting fine features or getting a broad view of your assembly. Smooth zooming is essential for navigating your design efficiently. Let's start by opening your model in Fusion 360. Once it loads, make sure your cursor is over the canvas where your model appears. Fusion 360 focuses zooming around the cursor position, so where you point really matters. If you keep the cursor over a specific edge, face, or detail, that area becomes the center of your zoom, which gives you much more control. The quickest way to zoom is with the middle mouse wheel. Roll the wheel forward to zoom in and backward to zoom out. Use gentle, steady motions rather than fast flicks. Small, controlled scrolls will help you approach a feature without overshooting it. As you scroll, keep shifting your cursor to the exact point you want to approach. Think of it like guiding a camera. The cursor is your target, and the scroll wheel moves you closer or farther from it. If you find yourself drifting off the feature you care about, pause, move the cursor back over that area, and continue scrolling. This simple habit dramatically improves accuracy. When you want finer control, use precise zoom. Hold the Shift key, press the middle mouse button, and drag. Move slowly as you drag so you can dial in just the right distance without jumping past your target. This method helps when you're working on tiny fillets, small holes, or intricate geometry where every fraction of a millimeter matters. It's especially helpful if you've zoomed very close and need to adjust by just a little bit without changing your orientation too much. You can also rely on the view cube controls in the top right corner of the canvas. The view cube gives you a stable visual frame of reference as you navigate. While it's great for orientation, like snapping to front, top, or isometric views, it also complements your zooming by letting you maintain awareness of where you are in 3D space. Use it to re-establish a familiar view, then continue zooming with the wheel or with Shift and the middle mouse button to refine your position. To recap, open your model, use the middle mouse wheel for fast in and out control, and switch to Shift plus the middle mouse button drag or the view cube controls when you need precision and context. Practice these techniques together, and your navigation in Fusion 360 will feel smooth, accurate, and efficient.